In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Mailchimp. If you've ever tried to line up data in an email, you know how handy a simple table can be. Mailchimp's visual editor doesn't include a native table block, but you can add one easily by using a code content block and a small snippet of HTML. I'll walk you through it from start to finish. Start by opening your Mailchimp account and heading to the home dashboard. From there, go to Campaigns. This shows all of your emails, automations, and drafts. Choose the email you want to work on and click Edit so you can change the content. In the campaign workflow, select Edit Design to open the email builder. On the right, you'll see the Content Blocks panel. Look for the block labeled Code. This block lets you paste custom HTML that will render inside your message. Drag the code block into your layout and drop it exactly where you want the table to appear, above a paragraph, between images, wherever it fits your design. Now you need the table's HTML. Open ChatGPT or your preferred code helper and ask for a clean, email-safe HTML table. Be specific about the number of columns, the headers you want, and include inline styles for borders, padding, and fonts since many email clients strip external CSS. Keep it simple. No JavaScript, no complex CSS, and fixed widths that won't break on mobile. When the code looks right, copy it. Return to the Mailchimp editor, click the code block you just added to open its code editor. In the editor pane, paste the HTML you copied. Mailchimp will show a live preview on the side. If something looks off, adjust the table widths, cell padding, or colors directly in the inline styles until the preview matches your design. A few quick tips while you fine-tune. Use table headers for the first row to improve accessibility. Set border collapse to collapse for cleaner lines, and aim for a maximum email width of around 600 pixels so the table doesn't overflow on smaller screens. If you need alternating row colors, add inline background colors to each row rather than relying on nth child selectors, which some email clients ignore. That's it. Your table is now embedded in your Mailchimp email using the code block. You can continue editing the rest of your content, and when you're ready, proceed with your normal review and send flow. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.